Open page number 32. Madhav wants to make a pattern on a gate using this type of grill. Can you guess which of these cannot be formed with this? So Madhav wants to make pattern by using this design. So where you can see this design? Can you see here the same design? Yes, we can see the same design here. Is there? See here, this design is like this. Can you see it here? No, it is like this. So we can't see it here. Is it here? No. Is it? No, it is not here also. Here the same design is used. So same pattern is used in two designs. Here we can see like that design, but it is not exactly same. Now see the next point. Fill up the blanks boxes to complete the pattern. Here they have given a pattern by using colors. Here is a purple color, then yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple. Like this they have made a pattern. Down in the downside boxes there are triangles. One triangle is colored with green color and another is colored with orange color. So in this way they have completed the pattern. So in the same way you have to complete the pattern. Now see here, here is the purple color, then yellow, purple. Here which color will come? Yellow. So you have to give here yellow color. Again here after yellow, purple, yellow, purple. In this way you have to complete this pattern by using oil pastels. Now see the next point, leafy patterns. Using one leaf we can make different patterns. See these 5 leafy patterns. By using leaves they have made some patterns. Here upwards, downwards, upwards, downwards. In that way the pattern is made. Here another direction of the leaf is used. Here is also again another type of direction is used to make the pattern. So these patterns you can try at home. Take the leaves of the plant and make this pattern at home. Now you also make some patterns with arrows in your notebook. By using arrows you can make some more patterns in your notebook. Now see the next page, page number 34. Look at the patterns and fill up the boxes. Here they have given some different kinds of patterns and you have to complete it in the book itself. So colors are used, different colors are used to make these patterns. So you make these patterns in your textbook. Now you also make patterns using different shapes and show them to your friends. So here by using different shapes you have to make the patterns. For example, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Here circle, square you can see. So like that you have to make patterns by using different shapes in the notebook. So this is your homework. Now see the next page, page number 35. Number patterns. Now they have used numbers to make the patterns. Let us look at some patterns with numbers. Fill the number in the blank space of each pattern. Now first they have written 1. After 1 they have written 3. So what is the difference between 1 and 3? After 1, 2. They have removed 2 and they have written 3. After 3 they have removed 4 and then they have written 5. After 5, 6 comes. So they have removed the 6 and 7 is written. So after 7, 8 will come here. But we have to remove 8 and we have to write the next number. After 8, which number will come here? 9. So in this way this pattern is made. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So after dropping 1 numbers, between numbers they have made the pattern. Now here you can see 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Which number will come here? Yes, 80 will come here. Now here you can see little bit bigger numbers are used. After 24, to get number 27, how much we have to add? Count 24, after 24, 25, 26, 27. So they have added 3 in it, and then the number came 27. Again in 27 we have to add 3, 28, 29, 30. So we get the number 30. In 30 again we have to add 3, then we will get 33. Again we have to add 33 in 33. So we will get number 36. Again in 36 we have to add 3. After 36, 37, 38, 39. So here will come the number 39. In this way our pattern is completed. Again next number pattern is there. So it is table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35. So here will come the number 35. 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. And you know the table up to 10 only. But again in the table we can see each time 5 is added in each number. When we add 5 in 5 we get 10. When we add 5 in 20 we get 25. In the same way, when we add 5 in 50 we will get the next number, that will be 55. So your homework is, by using table of 2 and 3, make the number pattern. So this is your homework. Now turn the page and get the page number 36. T2 frog jumps over 2 numbers and reaches the third number. Where will T2 go next? Make a ring on the other numbers. Now you can see this frog. Name of this frog is T2. Now he is jumping, but he has made the patterns. By jumping he has made the pattern. First he was on 0 place, then he jumped on number 3. After 3 he is dropping 2 steps, and then he is going on the next number. It will be 6. So 2 steps are, or 2 numbers are dropped him. He has dropped. So after 6 he will drop 7 and 8, and then he will reach to, it will reach to number 9. After 9 again we have to drop 2 numbers, that will be 10 and 11, and then it will reach on 12. After 12, 13, 14 will be dropped, and we will get number 15. After 15, 16 and 17 will be dropped, and we will get the number 18. Again 19 and 20 will be dropped, and we will get the number 21. 22 and 23 will be dropped, and we will get number 24. So this T2 will jump like this. 12, after 12 he will jump on 15, then on 18, then on 21, and on 24, and like that only. So next T2 jumps and gets on every 10th stone. Write the numbers on the stones. So there is the difference between two numbers, there is the difference of 10. So before 28, when we minus 10 from 28, 8 minus 0, what will come? 8. And 2 minus 1, the number will come 1. So we get here the number 18. Now in 18, we have added 10. So we get the number 28. Again in 28, we will add the number 10, and then we will get 38. Now again in 38, we have to add 10. which number we will get? Now see, 8 plus 0, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. In this way we will get the next number 48. Again from 48 we have to add 10 in 48. So 48 plus 10, 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. So we will get the number 58. Again in 58, 18, 28, 38, 48, 58. So here will come 68. And after 68, 78. So in this way, this T2 frog has made a pattern. Now see the next page, page number 37. Read and write what comes next. So I will show some patterns and remaining you will complete yourself. Now see here, A, A, B, B, C, C. What will be the next pattern? D, D. Or we can say double A, double B, double C, double D, then double E, double F, double G and double H. In this way we can complete this pattern. Now here A, B, C, D, E, F. After E, F, what will come? G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. In this way we can complete the pattern. Now see here, day, night. Day, what will come? Night. Day, night, day, night, day, night. In this way we can complete this pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 87, 88, 89. After 89, which number will come here? Yes, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So in this way you have to complete this pattern: 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Now here we can see after 1929 has come. But how it has come? By adding 10 in each number. In 19 we have added 10, then we get 29. When we add 10 in 29 we get 39. When we add 10 in 39, 39 plus 10. So 9 plus 0, 9, 3 plus 1, 4. So we will get the next number 49. In this way, each time we have to add 10, 10, 10 and then we will get the next numbers. So in this way you have to complete these patterns. This is also your homework. Do it today. Now see the next page, page number 38. Ketu has made some patterns by collecting made patterns by collecting leaves. So by collecting leaves you can collect the leaves and you can paste them on the notebook and you can make the patterns like this. Here also you can make, but make it in your notebook and show it to me.